Welcome. In front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to enable inverted camera look in this game. To do this, you have to return to the main menu either by pressing escape and selecting return to the main menu if you are already in game, or just by starting the game, then going to options, then in options select controls, and then in controls you have to change this value to on in order to enable the inverted camera look, and by changing it to off, of course, you will disable it again if you want to. And that's basically it. To exit this menu, just either press the escape button or right key of your mouse, and the changes will be applied automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.